Hello guys, we are going to see about TRIPS. What is TRIPS? TRIPS is the agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, including trade in counterfeit goods. TRIPS is one of the 14 multilateral trade agreements within the World Trade Organization and one result of the Uruguay round within GATT. Its main objectives are to reduce the distortion and impediments to international trade and take into account the need to promote competent as well as adequate protection of IPRs. To ensure that measures and procedures to enforce IPRs do not themselves become barriers to legitimate trade. To reduce tensions by reaching strengthened commitment to resolve disputes on trade related IP issues through multilateral procedures, to establish a mutually supportive relationship between the World Trade Organization and the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. Types of IPRs: copyright and related rights. Copyrights grants exclusive rights to the creator of original scientific, artistic and literary works. Original is key in defining a work that qualifies for copyright protection. Countries to confine limitations or exceptions to exclusive rights to certain special cases which do not conflict with exploitation of the work and are not prejudicial to right holder. Trademark. Trademark protects any word, name, logo or device used to identify, distinguish or indicate the source of goods or services. Includes trade dress, the total image and overall appearance of a product and product configuration, that is the shape. The purpose is to safeguard the integrity of products and to prevent product confusion and unfair competition. The term of protection, initial registration and each renewal of registration of a trademark shall be for a term of no less than 7 years. Industrial designs protects the artistic aspect, namely texture, pattern, shape of an object instead of the technical features. The term of protection, that is at least amount of 10 years, amount to allow the term to be divided into two periods, for example 2 periods of 5 years. The third party is prohibited from making, selling or importing articles bearing a design which is a copy of the protected design when such acts are undertaken for commercial purposes. Exception. Optional mandate. If introduced, then such exceptions do not unreasonably conflict with the normal exploitation of protected industrial designs and do not unreasonably prejudice the legitimate interest of the owner of the protected design. Patents. The TRIPS agreement requires member countries to make patents available for any inventions, whether products or processes, in all fields of technology without discrimination, subject to novelty, inventiveness, and industrial applicability. Invention to be novel, useful, and non-obvious. The agreements allow countries to exclude invention from patentability of following grounds: inventions necessary to protect order, public, and morality, including to protect human, animal, or plant life or health or to avoid serious prejudice to the environment. Compulsory licensing, the term of protection for a period of 20 years counted from the filing date. Main features. Standards. The agreement expresses minimum standards of protection, the subject matter to be protected, the minimum period of protection. Enforcement. Provisions of domestic procedure and remedies for the enforcement of the IPRs. Includes general principle applicable to IPR enforcement procedure apart from administrative, civil and criminal procedure available for enforcement of the rights of the right holder. Dispute settlement. The agreement further provides for the settlement of disputes over IPR among the member states within the parameters of dispute settlement procedure. Conclusion. Highly innovative agreement and remains the most comprehensive international agreement on intellectual property till date. Overall, it has worked well. However, it needs to continue to implement wide-ranging provisions, especially when it touches significant public policy questions. Thank you.